On August 14th, Pakistan celebrates its Independence Day, the day a separate country on religious lines was formed from India. But a section of the minorities in Pakistan are still not free in democratic terms. As per the Pakistan Constitution, only a Muslim person is allowed to contest elections for the seat of Prime Minister or President. No non-Muslim, that means a person from a minority community, could contest for the same. To demand for their rights, the Minorities Alliance of Pakistan recently asked to remove the bar on non-Muslims from becoming President and Prime Minister of Pakistan. Why does Pakistan still lack in giving equal rights to its minorities? And why till date we hear about the persecution atrocities on Ahmadiyyas and non-Muslims? Let us find out. Hello and welcome, I am Shreya and you're watching The Pamphlet. While celebrating their National Minorities Day on August 11th, the Minorities Alliance of Pakistan demanded for more seats in national and provincial assemblies for members of religious minorities, besides an amendment to Article 41 and 91 of the Constitution to remove the bar on non-Muslims from becoming President and Prime Minister of Pakistan. Akmal Bhatti, the chairman of the Minorities Alliance, has even urged to stop the misuse of sensitive religious or blasphemy laws, and that there should be provisions for free and fair justice to the victims. Several other speakers at the rally even criticized the PDM and PTI governments for ignoring the demand to ban forced conversions in the country. Also, the state institutions, including local police, have been involved in providing cover to elements involved in forced religious conversions. A similar proposal was put forward in 2019, but it got rejected by the National Assembly. Thereafter, Maulana Abdul Akbar Chitrali, a member of Jamaat-e-Islami, stated that no law against Islamic values and teachings can be passed, introduced, or even debated in the parliament. Similarly, Pakistan's Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs, Ali Muhammad Khan, once said that Pakistan is an Islamic republic where only a Muslim can serve at the top post. He said that the minorities in Pakistan are enjoying complete freedom and that security and their rights are being protected. But the reality is totally different from what it is shown. As per the 2017 Pakistan population census, minorities account for 3.53% of the total population. But the numbers are slowly and steadily declining to the continuous persecution of the minorities in Pakistan. A Pakistan-based weekly magazine, The News on Sunday, by the News International, recently published a report stating that the Hindu community in Pakistan is undergoing a series of threats, kidnapping, and persecution in the country. The report came out amidst the time when a rally was organized calling for the recovery of a 7-year-old Hindu girl, Priya Kumari, who has been missing for the past 2 years. The minority Ahmadiyya Muslim community in Pakistan also suffered the same fate. The graves of Ahmadiyya community located at Talwandi Khajoor Wali of Punjab's Gujranwala district were recently desecrated and demolished by tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan radicals. The community is considered non-Muslims by many mainstream Muslims, and they continue to suffer the consequences. When India and Pakistan partitioned on religious lines, a pact was signed between the then Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and his Pakistani counterpart Liaquat Ali. 6 days talks concluded, and on 8th of April 1950, it was decided that the minorities have the same rights in either of the countries. The two governments had promised complete equality of citizenship irrespective of religion. The pact also mentioned that the minorities of both countries shall have equal opportunity as members of the majority community to hold political offices. Clearly, Pakistan did not keep its side of the bargain, and minorities there are left at the mercy of the ones who wield power. India has had members of minority communities like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Dr. Manmohan Singh, who has held the highest posts in India, while on the other hand, the minorities in Pakistan are still subjected to subhuman treatment. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, do like, share and subscribe to our channel, The Pamphlet.